Welcome, guys. In this video, I'll be showing you how to sound like your favorite drill rappers like DD, K Flocka, Rich, Daddy, Dida, and the rest. So let's just hop into the video. I'm gonna give you the precious later. This is something small I just did for the video. But if it's hard, comment so that I can drop this shit up. Let's go. I recorded it with him.
Who you dissing? You a bitch. Your brody got hit in the shit. You only talking, you ain't doing no shit. Try to spin on me, that nigga got hit. And you know that I'm smoking on shit. Told that bitch I'm gonna empty that clip. Found me 2 hours, get blue with a stick. I as fuck, you know that I'm lit. All of my Uda, we up on a drill. Little nigga, I'm popping my pill. Came out of jail and I'm thugging, I still. You on hush, I'm on hush, we on chill. Get to the motherfucking stuff, it's a demon.
Alright. I think this shit is hard though. I'm gonna try if I can finish. So let's take the ad-libs first. DD Osama ad-libs. But it's not only DD Osama, like, don't worry, if you don't get it, I'm gonna drop the link in the description. Please. Like that won't give it the olives. That's the olives. Don't worry, I'm gonna drop the link in the video. I'll drop it in the description. Now let's move to the main vocal. First, you need EQ 3M. Matched up. The fuck is it? Why the fuck do I keep on touching this shit? That's not what's supposed to happen. Nah, I don't want to edit it. Let's EQ 3M. Traffic. Yeah. FBK compressor. Don't worry if you don't get it. I'ma drop the link. You need yes, sir. FBK compressor. Studio reverb. And then multi-field. So like, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I'm gonna drop the link in the description. Don't worry. But don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching my video. I'm out.
Every out shot. Who you dissing? You a bitch. Your brody got hit in the shit. You only talking, you ain't doing no